Have you ever felt that crushing weight of constantly needing fresh content? You know, that relentless demand to keep your audience engaged day in and day out. Trust me, I felt it myself. So many creators find themselves trapped in this content creation hamster wheel, just struggling to keep up, feeling drained and uninspired. What if I told you there's a game-changing way to churn out a week's worth of highly engaging, potentially viral videos in just a single afternoon? Sounds too good to be true, right? But I'm serious. I'm here to spill the beans on a secret AI workflow that's completely transformed my content creation game. We're talking about tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney. We use them to create videos that grab attention and go viral in a fraction of the time that it used to take. And what's really dope, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it too, using the same incredible tools I have been using starting for free. Let's be real. Content creation is tough. It's not just about hitting a record. It's a marathon of brainstorming, scripting, shooting, editing, and then doing it all over again. The time commitment alone is enough to make anyone pull their hair out. And then there's the constant pressure to keep your audience not just watching, but engaged. Every single day, you're expected to conjure up fresh, innovative ideas, meticulously scripting them, conjure captivating visuals, and then somehow weave it all together into a polished, scroll-stopping video. It's a lot, isn't it? I vividly remember endless hours glued to my screen, staring at blank documents, desperately trying to brainstorm ideas that had not been done 1,000 times before already. Then came the struggle of writing scripts that didn't just inform, but truly resonated, sparked conversations and connections. The creative block felt insurmountable, and the thought of another round of editing was just exhausting. It felt like I was constantly battling my own creativity and the clock. Then I ran some tests, and I stumbled across these incredible AI tools, and honestly, they didn't just save me time. They completely refined how I approached content creation. It didn't just help me with producing more, they helped me create content my audience genuinely love and content that actually performs. So what's this magical game-changing workflow I keep talking about? It's surprisingly simple, yet incredibly powerful. Streamlined processes that let AI handle all the heavy lifting of the content creation. Think of it as having a super efficient, always on creative assistant by your side. This isn't about replacing your creativity, it's about amplifying it. And here's a breakdown of the workflow. Idea generation with ChatGPT, scripting with AI assistants, visual creation with Midjourney, and assembling the video to put it out there. Ready to break all this down each step by step? Let's do it. Step 1, idea generation with ChatGPT or any AI tool. The very first hurdle in content creation for so many of us is staring down the blank screen, right? That's where idea generation kicks off on our workflow, and ChatGPT is the absolute powerhouse here. It's not just a chatbot. It's a brilliant brainstorming partner for crafting viral content ideas perfectly tailored to your audience and niche. Here's how you can really tap into this potential. Start specific, then broaden. Don't just ask for video ideas. Instead, begin by asking ChatGPT a specific question related to your niche. For example, if you're into fitness, try, what are some common misconceptions about weight training for women over 40? Or what are the top 5 trending topics in sustainable living right now? This helps the AI to narrow its focus and give you relevant, timely results. Prompt for virality. Once you have a topic, use prompts that specifically ask for viral potential. Try something like, give me 5 video ideas that could go viral related to fill in the blank. Focus on controversy, humor, or a unique how-to angle. You can even ask it to analyze current trends and audience behaviors that suggest high-performing formats. Overcome creative's block. Feeling stuck? Ask ChatGPT to generate ideas from a different perspective. Generate 10 video titles that would make people stop scrolling on TikTok about fill in the blank, your topic. Or suggest 5 unique challenges or experiments related to your topic. You'll be genuinely amazed at how quickly and creatively it generates concepts. This doesn't just reduce the dreaded creativity fatigue, it significantly accelerates your entire content planning process by providing a wellspring of fresh angles and hooks. Step 2, scripting with AI assistants. Once you've got those killer ideas, it's time to transform them into a compelling narrative. This is where ChatGPT truly shines, helping you craft scripts that captivate. A good script, after all, is the spine of any successful video, guiding your message and keeping viewers hooked. Here's how you can leverage AI for scripting. Turn ideas into drafts. Take one of those fantastic ideas that the AI helped you generate and simply ask it to write a full script. For instance, write a concise YouTube short script on your topic. Include a strong hook, 3 key tips, and a clear call to action. Be specific about the platform and the desired length. Inject specific elements. Need a catchy intro that immediately grabs attention? Ask it to generate 5 catchy hooks for a video about your topic. Want to encourage interaction? Suggest 3 engaging questions to pose to my audience at the end of a video about fill in the blank. AI can help you weave in natural transitions and even suggest emotional beats to make your content feel more relatable. Refine and personalize. The AI output is a fantastic starting point, but remember, it's not the final word. Read it out loud. Does it sound like you? Does it match your brand's unique voice and tone? Tweak it. Add personal anecdotes. Use unique phrasing and that touch of humor or wit that only you can bring. This human AI collaboration is the key to producing something truly authentic and impactful. You can also use ChatGPT to refine sections, make them more casual, or even simplify complex language. With AI assistance, you can iterate and refine your script until it's perfectly aligned with your brand's voice and your audience expectation, ensuring every word serves a purpose. Step 3, visual creation with Midjourney. All right. The scripting is done. Now, how do we make it visually stunning and impossible to scroll past? This is where Midjourney steps in, turning your textual concepts into breathtaking visuals. Visuals aren't just pretty pictures. They're crucial for your storytelling and keeping your audience engaged. High quality, eye-catching images and animation can dramatically improve your viewers' retention and making your content more memorable. Here's how to unleash Midjourney's power. Translate scripts to visuals. Go through your scripts and identify key concepts, emotions, or scenes you want to illustrate. If your script talks about the feeling of freedom, you might prompt Midjourney with something like a person soaring above the clouds, feeling euphoric, the golden hour, cinematic, highly detailed, vibrant colors. Experiment with the styles. Midjourney offers incredible versatility. Don't be afraid to experiment with different artistic styles to match your brand. Want something photorealistic? Try typing photorealistic, hyper detailed, more illustrative. Water painting, vibrant, whimsical. You can even blend styles to create something truly unique. Create dynamic visual storytelling. Think beyond static images. Can you create a series of images that tell a mini story within your video? Or generate visuals that evoke a specific mood or an atmosphere mentioned in your script? For platforms like TikTok or Instagram Reels, visually striking and unique aesthetics are paramount for virality. Midjourney allows you to generate these quickly, ensuring your visuals are always fresh and captivating. Remember, the better your prompts, the better your output. So don't be afraid to get descriptive and iterate. You've got that perfectly crafted script and your stunning Midjourney visuals. Now it's time to bring it all together and make something magical happen in the edits. This step is all about seamless integration, and AI can accelerate this process dramatically. Traditional editing and AI enhancement. If you prefer traditional video editing softwares, use it to combine your script, perhaps as a voiceover with your Midjourney images. Many modern-day editing tools now feature AI-powered enhancements like automatic captioning, smart cutting suggestions, and even AI-driven color grading, which can significantly speed up your workflow. For lightning fast production, especially for short-form content like TikToks or Instagram Reels, AI generators are your best friends. Tools like Jog AI or Lumen 5 can automatically convert your text to script into a video, complete with synchronized music, dramatic captions, and professional transitions. Some even allow for AI-generated voiceovers or avatars, turning a text document into a ready published video in minutes. This capability is a game changer for consistently pushing out high-volume, trend-aligned content that keeps up with the rapid pace of social media. Crafting great content is one thing, but making it viral often means catching the right wave at the right time. This is where AI truly flexes its muscle beyond content creation by helping you understand and leverage the trends. AI tools are incredible at sifting through mountains of social media data to identify emerging keywords, hashtags, and topics that are gaining traction. Platforms like Sprout Social and Bandwidth with their AI-powered listening features, can analyze millions of messages daily, tracking segments and relevance to give you real-time insights into what people are talking about. This means you can jump on a trend early rather than playing catch-up. It's not just about what's trending, but how to make your content discoverable within those trends. AI can help you strategically incorporate the right trending audio, suggest optimal hashtags, and even predict the best times to post for maximum reach and engagement on your specific platforms. Video with background music, for example, often gets significantly more views. AI can analyze engagement patterns and recommend content types that resonate with most of your audience, ensuring your efforts are focused on what drives real shares and interactions. By integrating trending analysis into your workflow, you're not just creating content, you're creating smart content that has a much higher chance of cutting through the noise and going viral. Okay guys, all right. So we've talked about strategies, tools, and workflows, but what's the actual payoff? Well, by consistently following the AI-powered workflow, I've not only been able to reclaim my evenings and weekends, but I've also created content that genuinely resonates with my audience and yes, even goes viral. For instance, one of my recent videos created in just an hour using these exact processes generated over 100,000 views within its first week alone. That wasn't a fluke. It's a direct result of leveraging AI for smart idea generation, compelling scripting, captivating visuals, and strategic distribution. This process doesn't just save me time and energy, it directly translates into a massive increase in engagement, a surge in new subscribers, and a stronger, more connected community. Imagine the sheer potential of your content when you can produce high quality, trending aligned videos so efficiently. It's not just about going viral, it's about building a sustainable, impactful content machine that works for you, not against you. It allows you to focus on the creative visions, the human touch, and the connections, while the AI handles the heavy lifting, leading to genuine growth and success. If you're feeling that surge of excitement and you're ready to give this workflow a chance yourself, I wholeheartedly encourage you to jump in. Experiment with different AI tools, push their boundaries, and discover what truly works best for your unique style and niche. You won't break it. The learning curve is faster than you think, and the rewards are absolutely worth it. And to give you a little head start, I've put together a super helpful downloadable template of prompts. It's designed to guide you step by step, making it even easier to get started. You can grab that in the link below in the description box. Also friends, you found this video helpful? Please do me a huge favor. Smash that like button. Subscribe for more cutting edge AI content creation tips. And most importantly, let me know in the comments what content ideas you're most excited to try out with AI. I'd love to hear from you and see your amazing things that you guys are creating out there. Stay dangerous.